के नॉलेज में है। हमारा डिमांड है फॉर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सोल्यूशन ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड और हमने अपना डिमांड रखा है। अब वो भी जानते हैं कि हमारा डिमांड क्या है, ये नया डिमांड नहीं है। और इलेक्शन के पहले भी बात हुआ था और इलेक्शन के बाद भी उन्होंने कहा था कि इसका सोल्यूशन निकालेंगे। और हमारा भी बात है कि वी वांट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सोल्यूशन फॉर अ डिमांड फॉर ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड एंड उसी विषय में बात हुआ। और अब देखते हैं कि क्या होता है। उन्होंने कुछ अश्योरेंसेस दिए हैं, अब जब होगा तब हम देखेंगे। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट पार्टी, द इंडिजिनस पीपल, द तिपरासा पीपल, they are restless, they want something. Now there has been a delay. That delay is not from the end of Tipra Motha. That has happened for whatever reason. That has to be undone. And if the government of India does this, the sooner the better. Because sometimes situations go out of hand and we don't want Tripura to go out of hand, the situation. And we have told him the situation. And he said that he will look into this matter and do something as soon as possible. But it is not for me to give a date, it is for him what is as soon as possible. But he was indicative not only to me, to everyone, that the process will be very soon.
People are very unrest now, so we also inform him it should not go beyond our hand and it should not go out of our hand also. So he understood it. That was our pressure to him also, that it should not get delayed. We want as early as possible to our issues and demand. And he was sympathizing. He said, I've already told you I'm not going to stay back from this issue. So when he's quite firm, then we thought we are not too early, means we are not too young also, so that we can do whatsoever we like it. And we have informed him that our people are quite unrest and therefore we have to be quite mild and taming our people also. At the same time, Government of India, through you, Home Minister, sir, we need you the solution constitutionally. That was our approach.